Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making garlic lime hummus. This 5-ingredient hummus recipe is quick, it's easy, it's perfect as a dip for chips or veggies, or even as a spread on top of toast. I love making my own hummus at home because I can avoid seed oils and use a high-quality organic extra virgin olive oil. So all you need to make this garlic lime hummus is some extra virgin olive oil, some chickpeas, some fresh limes, garlic powder, and fresh garlic. Yes, I'm using 2 pints of garlic for that full garlic flavor. So first we're going to add the 30 ounces of drained chickpeas to our food processor. And you guys can keep the chickpea liquid, that is the brine, and it can be used to replace eggs. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm using minced garlic today because I always have it in my fridge, so that works as well too. And then next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're adding both garlic powder and fresh garlic for the ultimate garlic flavor. And then last, we're going to add in the zest and juice of 1 lime. Now, all we have to do is blend this up until smooth. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Then once it's smooth and creamy, you want to give it a little taste just to make sure you don't need any more salt and pepper. Perfect. Now it's time to transfer the hummus to a bowl and it's ready to serve. You guys can serve this garlic lime hummus with fresh veggies, with tortilla chips. It's also good on top of toast or in sandwiches and wraps. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.